Hey, Trevor here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your oil painting brushes using a few simple ingredients. Now I've got two brushes here. One is brand new and I'm going to dip it into some paint and get it back to life. The other one I used about 3 days ago and I forgot to clean it. I did a little bit of a quick clean. Let's get them both totally clean. First off, forget about the expensive and toxic solvents. You do not need them. All you're gonna need is some oil, ideally the kind of oil that is in your paint, and a rag. I'm using a 2-jar clean oil, dirty oil system that I explained in another video. I will link that in this video description. Simply dip the brush into the dirty oil jar and work the paint out with the rag. I'm pushing from the metal ferrule up to the top of the bristles so that the paint goes out of the brush as opposed to down into the handle. This helps loosen the paint without damaging the brush. For extra stubborn paint, you can even dip the brush into the jar and let it soak for a little bit. In fact, if you want to avoid cleaning your brushes altogether, you can simply lay them in oil while you're not painting. You can do that for a week, 2 weeks, maybe upwards of even 3 weeks before you probably should clean them. Next, repeat this process with the clean oil until your rag is not picking up any pigment. I use the dirty oil jar to get a lot of the gunk out, and I use the clean oil jar to simply soak the brush to get those remaining pigment particles out. Okay, we've got this brush back to clean. Now onto the used brush. If you did a quick clean like I did 3 days ago, no worries, you can still bring it back to life. Just follow the same steps, oil, wipe, and repeat until the brush is clean. And there you have it, 2 perfectly clean oil painting brushes using just oil and a rag. Now, if you want to go the extra mile and get your brushes super clean, you can use some simple soap and water and wash them out. At this point, you've got all of the pigment out of the brush, so the soap and water is simply getting the oil out of the brush so that your brush is basically clean as the day you bought it. Thanks for watching and happy painting. Remember, don't stress about cleaning your brushes. With this method, it's easier than ever to keep them in tip-top shape. Catch you in the next video.